In this video, you'll learn how cmExe can be used to update the status of parts and assemblies using a mobile device in your construction projects. You can see the installer using his smartphone to scan the QR code and then update the status of the facade assembly from fabricated to installed by pressing the green bar. From here, they can choose to add notes and also attach live images of the process or installation. At every update, cmExe accounts tied to user emails log who made the change, and timestamps track when the change was made. After submitting, the status of the project has now been updated on cmExe. They can also go to the History tab and see all of the previous work performed. As a project manager, they'll get an update on their desktop or mobile device. All the statuses of the ongoing project can be viewed on the color-coded model as well as the dashboard. The latest update by the installer is seen in the assembly page with the attachment that was uploaded. With cmExe's QR code-based asset tracking system, your team can easily access information and update statuses while having all activities effortlessly visualized by project stakeholders and clients in a single web-based hub. This has been QR code scanning with cmExe. Join us at cmexe.io.